Guess what? ChatGPT helped me to take my YouTube channel to over 5,000 extra subscribers and increase my revenue by over $200 extra per month using this strategy I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, this is not something you've heard anywhere before. ChatGPT is free, but guess what? Do you know you can use it to grow your YouTube channel? As a small YouTuber that is struggling, let me show you how you can use ChatGPT the right way to grow your YouTube channel. I was struggling a lot in my YouTube channel, and I was getting low views, and my income was so poor. So I learned this hack that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel revenue, you want to get more watch hours, more subscribers, you want to hit your monetization criteria, whatever it is that is your goal for YouTube, just pay attention to every part of this video, because I'm going to be sharing some things, nuggets at every point of this video that you can practice. You can also get your pen and paper so that you take notes and you don't forget anything I'm about to share right here. So let's get straight into the video. So what I'm about to share with you now is a YouTube growth blueprint that you can use, and this is something that people pay for. In fact, it's one of the things we teach in the paid academy, but you're actually going to learn it for free. So what you're going to do simply is to go to your browser or your app store and download ChatGPT if you don't already have it, and create an account. Once you do that, go straight to the chat box. Now, what you have to do is to explain your problem to ChatGPT. Describe your channel very well and explain exactly what you want ChatGPT to do for you. So I came here and I said, I need your help. I have a YouTube channel where I post business, sales, marketing, and recently AI tools and tips. I've noticed that my views have been dropping a lot and my engagements have also been reducing. Now I need help to actually scale this YouTube channel, get it to the place where I have thousands of views and make more money. Do I need to send you the link to the channel for you to review? I need you to act as a paid YouTube consultant and give me the help that I need. Now, you see that last sentence is very, very important. You need ChatGPT to get into the mode of a paid consultant where it gives you paid quality advice for your YouTube channel. Describe your YouTube channel very well. What kind of content do you create? Describe the goals that you want. I told you that I want more engagement. My views have been dropping. So if your own is like, okay, you want to get monetized, you want more views, you want more subscribers, explain to ChatGPT and also ask it if you need to send the link to your channel for it to review. Okay. After sending that, ChatGPT replied me and said, oh, I don't need to send the link yet. Before then, going through using what I have already told it, it gave me a step-by-step diagnosis of what exactly I should do. So step one, I should diagnose the drop in views. At what point should I notice that my views dropped, right? And it gave me the reasons. It could be content shifts, it could be retention issues, it could be competition, it could be algorithm reset. You see, these things are mind-blowing. You will not see them anywhere for free online. So it gave me step two, fix your foundation, right? Work on my niche. Okay, it has told me that I'm doing too many things at the same time. I need to work on my niche. Step three, content strategy that drives views, right? I need to work on my content strategy. Step four, titles and thumbnail. I'm not supposed to be sharing this with you guys. This is my personal review, but I'm just showing you what ChatGPT said I should do. My titles and thumbnails, I need to work on that. My retention and my engagement, monetization strategies, growth hacks. He shares some powerful growth hacks with me right here, and he's going to share with you if you are going to do exactly what I say in this video. So now it has given me next step. I should send my channel link so that it can directly audit my channel. I should send my channel link, one, and two, it can create a custom 90-day YouTube growth plan for me based on my goals, right? So I said, go ahead, and he created the 90-day YouTube growth blueprint. Everything I should do for the next 90 days to grow my YouTube channel and get exactly where I want to get. Wow, this is so awesome. Now I want it to give me personalized advice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to send my YouTube link to it, right? I sent my YouTube link. Just copy the link to your YouTube channel, youtube.com/@ your YouTube channel handle, right? And then it took a look at my channel and told me exactly what to do. It told me what is working, my strengths. My strengths are my niche, my audience, my content variety, and then it told me what I need to fix, which is clarity in my videos, strong hooks, SEO, and a few other things. Now, these things could vary based on the type of content that you are creating on your channel and your channel goals at the moment. So make sure you tell it, okay, I want to monetize, or I'm not satisfied with the money I'm earning, I want to increase, or I want to attract audience from so countries. Just tell it exactly what you want it to do. The key thing is in your prompt. Don't think I'm not done yet though. There's still more I want to show you. So the key thing is in your prompt. In the prompt that you tell it, right? Tell it exactly what you want it to give you in return. That's exactly the difference between it. So the next thing is that it's going to tell you immediate fixes, things you should fix within the next 1 to 2 weeks, right? That's told me my titles, my thumbnails I need to fix, and other things that I need to fix. And then the long-term improvement, 2 to 3 months things I need to work on, content calendar, collaborations, and all of these things that you are going. So all these things that you can see here, it says it wants to give me 3 specific videos that I should work on now for my channel that would help me get thousands of views. And so it gave me 3 video ideas for high views, that if I do these 3 video ideas next on my channel, I'm definitely going to see high views on my channel. So the first one is I gave ChatGPT $10 to start a business. Here's what happened, right? And AI tools that will replace marketing team in 2025. I'm not even supposed to tell you guys the videos I'm about to shoot, but anyway, I'm just sharing this honestly, showing you my back end so you can see that this thing actually works. And when I started to apply this thing ChatGPT gave me, I saw my views skyrocket. Like I went from having 200 views, 175 views to thousands of views. So if you're struggling with your views on your YouTube channel, your views have gone low, you can try this out. Ask it to give you 3 specific videos you should shoot immediately. And once it gives you those 3 videos, don't waste any time. Shoot them within the space of 1 week. Shoot, edit, and post immediately. And you're definitely going to see the difference in your YouTube channel. Now, for those who watched to this point, here's a bonus tip that you can use ChatGPT to do to grow your channel. You see that thumbnail that you designed, right? You design a thumbnail and you can take that thumbnail to ChatGPT and say, Alpha, can you redesign this thumbnail for me and make it more optimized for YouTube? Let's try that right now. I tried this with one of my thumbnails and here's what it did. So after designing the thumbnail, I put it into ChatGPT and I said, I need you to regenerate this thumbnail. Same details and features, but make it better optimized for YouTube. Attractive and scroll stopping too. Can you do this? And it did just that. Now look at the refined one. The text are bolder, colors are brighter. This is what works for YouTube. Brighter colors, bolder text, more attractive. So if you do your best, after you do your best in designing your thumbnail, take it to ChatGPT and ask it to regenerate the thumbnail, keeping the main features equal or the same, but making it more optimized, clickbaity, attractive, and scroll stopping for YouTube. And it's going to do that for you and give you a stunning thumbnail that looks like this, right? I also did it again for another thumbnail. The thumbnail for the video where I want to talk about that my channel was hacked. And I said, do something similar for me with this thumbnail. And look at what it went ahead to create, something this beautiful and attractive for my YouTube channel. So ChatGPT can actually help you grow your YouTube channel. You don't have to struggle with your low views and poor content or anything. ChatGPT can give you a content strategy, can give you a content calendar. It can help you grow your channel, help you attract the right kind of viewers, and help you get monetized fast. Just practice everything that I taught in this video. And if you want the prompt, check the description of this video. Just click on the title of the video, scroll up. You're going to see where I wrote the prompt and how you can use them to get the best out of your YouTube channel. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. And if there's another hack you want me to share, maybe a thumbnail hack, something for YouTube grow, or another AI tool you want me to review, comment it, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to review it and tell you how you can use it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.